Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how to make money using ChatGPT by OpenAI. First, let's quickly go over what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of applications, from customer service to content creation. So let's take a look at 4 ideas for now. Method 1, content creation. One of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. If you run a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts, ChatGPT can help you generate engaging content quickly. For example, you can use it to brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, create social media posts, or even draft entire blog articles. This can save you a ton of time and help you maintain a consistent posting schedule. Method 2. Freelance writing. Next up is freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to offer your writing services. With ChatGPT, you can handle more projects and deliver high-quality work faster. You can offer services like blog writing, copywriting, email marketing, and more. Just make sure to proofread and add your personal touch to ensure the content meets your client's needs. Method 3. Customer support. Another lucrative way to use ChatGPT is in customer support. Businesses are always looking for efficient ways to handle customer inquiries. By integrating ChatGPT into customer support systems, you can offer a 24/7 automated support service. You can either set this up for your own business or offer it as a service to other businesses. Method 4. Educational content. If you're knowledgeable in a particular field, you can use ChatGPT to create educational content. This could be in the form of ebooks, online courses, or tutorial videos. ChatGPT can help you outline your content, write detailed explanations, and even generate quizzes and exercises. Don't forget to check our link below, which is a ChatGPT tutorial masterclass video series. Now, here are a few tips to maximize your success with ChatGPT. Understand its strengths and limitations. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not perfect. Always review and refine the content it generates. Stay updated. OpenAI frequently updates ChatGPT, so make sure you're using the latest version for the best results. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what works best for you. And there you have it. 4 effective ways to make money using ChatGPT. Whether you're creating content, offering freelance services, setting up customer support, or developing educational materials, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments how you plan to use ChatGPT to make money. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging technology to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.